Right now, somewhere in the United States, there's a person working a 9-to-5 job. They are tired and stressed. They are waiting for the weekend. At the exact same moment, there is another person. They are not working and not stressed. They are making more money than the first person ever will. Same country, same opportunity. So what is the difference?
It's not luck, it's not talent, it's knowledge, because once you understand how money works, everything changes. In this video, I'm not gonna motivate you. I'm gonna show you the truth, and that truth might change your life.
Let's talk about reality in America. People earn more than ever, but also struggle more than ever. Why? Because rent is high, expenses are rising, lifestyle pressure is everywhere. And the biggest problem? People are taught how to work, but not how to build wealth. So they stay stuck in a loop. Work, earn, spend, repeat. And years go by with nothing changing.
Keep watching, because what I'm about to show you next is what most people never understand. There are two types of people in this world. People who trade time for money. People who use money to buy time. The first group stays average. The second group builds freedom. Rich people don't think about salary. They think about assets. Assets are things that make you money even when you're not working. Want to get rich? Stop buying liabilities. Let me simplify money for you. Assets are money coming in. Liabilities are money going out. So a car, that's a liability. An investment, that's an asset. Most people buy liabilities first. They get stuck paying for stuff. Rich people buy assets first. They let cash flow buy the toys later. Follow me for one simple asset you can buy next.
Here is the system. Step 1, earn money. Step 2, save a portion. Step 3, invest it. Step 4, repeat for years. Sounds simple? It is. But simple doesn't mean easy, because consistency is hard.
In America, you have a huge advantage. Investing is accessible. Platforms like Fidelity, Robinhood, and Charles Schwab allow anyone to start, even with $10.
I used to bet my whole savings on one hot tip, then one crash wiped half of it. Yeah, overnight, so I changed my approach. First, the backbone, an S&P 500 index fund. It owns the market, so I own the market. Then I add a couple of stocks I actually believe in. A bit of Apple, for steady returns, a slice of Tesla. For growth, higher risk, higher reward, and a tiny slice of Bitcoin. Diversify and think long term. Want my 5-minute checklist? Follow me and I'll send it. It's not about how much you invest, it's about how long you stay invested. Time is your biggest advantage. Most people waste it. Your biggest enemy is not the market, it is your emotions. Fear makes you sell, greed makes you chase, discipline makes you rich.
Let's make it real. Open an account. Invest your first $100. Start your journey. Don't overthink. Just start.
Two people, same age, same job, same income. One starts investing, one delays. 20 years later, one is free, one is stuck. The difference, time and action.
I stopped waiting for someday. I realized my future is built by what I do today, not tomorrow, not someday. So I choose one tiny action, 5 minutes to start, one email, one workout, one step. Small actions compound into momentum. Start now, join me, hit follow and do one tiny thing today.